Hey, this is Thomas Talon at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you this 22 Bennington GSB. On the bow you will notice docking lights and nav lights. Stepping aboard the boat, you'll see plenty of forward seating with storage underneath. Plenty of cup holders to hold your beverage. On the stern, you'll notice the swingback seating, which offers an adjustable seat so you can lounge and hang out on the back. More cup holders, a nice table. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see chrome gauges, Garmin Striker 4, kicker stereo, equipped with 4 speakers, RGB lighting, all Benningtons come standard with a 10-foot bimini top. This is powered with the Mercury 200 horsepower outboard and equipped with the ski tow bar with the bifolding ladder. For more information on this boat, please come visit us at MarineMax in Greenville or call the store at 864-236-9005. Thank you.